You're rolling.
Okay. This is August.
Could you please look at the camera?
Alright. This is August 27th, and we're interviewing Mrs. Justin Cox.
No.
Marion Justin Cox.
Justice.
Justice.
Justice of the peace.
Okay.
COCKE. Cock.
Okay, cock. Today is August 27th, and we're here interviewing Mrs. Justin Cox.
Marion.
Justice
Write
Cox.
it down.
Cock.
No, we're in the home of Marion Justin Cox.
No.
We're in the home of Marion Justin Cox.
Marion Justice Cox.
Okay. We're in the home of Marion Justin
Justice.
Cox. We're in the home of Marion Justice.
Start again.
We're in the home of Marion Justice Cox.
Just look at the camera and think, I'm the only one here.
Okay.
I'm the only one here. Go ahead.
Okay. We're in the home of Marion Justice Cox, who was the nurse for Elvis Presley since 1975.
COCKE. Cock.
Okay, Cox. We're in the home of Marion Justin
Justice.
Cox.
COCKE.
Okay. Cock.
Cock.
Okay, Cock.
Justice of the peace. COCKE. Cock.
Marion Justice Cox.